Are you concerned about the security of your home network? Well, you're not alone. With the rise in cyber threats, it's essential to take steps to protect your personal information from falling into the wrong hands. Here are some essential tips to keep those hackers at bay. Number 1. Change your Wi-Fi password regularly. And please don't use password 123 as your password. Make it strong and unique, with a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Number 2. Always keep your router's firmware updated. Manufacturers release updates to fix security vulnerabilities, so be sure to check for updates regularly and install them ASAP. Number 3. Disable remote management on your router. This feature allows hackers to access your router from afar. By disabling it, you add an extra layer of protection. Number 4. Set up a guest network. If friends or family visit your home and need to connect to your Wi-Fi, it's better to provide them with a separate network. This keeps their devices isolated from your main network and limits potential access points for hackers. Number 5. Enable network encryption. Utilize WPA2 or WPA3 encryption protocols to secure your Wi-Fi network. These protocols encrypt the data sent between devices, making it nearly impossible for hackers to intercept and decipher. Number 6. Install a firewall. A firewall acts as a barrier between your home network and the internet, monitoring and filtering incoming and outgoing traffic. This adds an extra layer of protection against malicious connections. And finally, number 7. Use strong, unique passwords for all your devices and online accounts. A strong password with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters is your best defense against hackers. Remember, your home network security is in your hands. By following these essential tips, you can create a secure and private online environment for you and your loved ones. Thank you for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos.